Designo Pro 2 is a software which helps you to design graphics in the most efficient way. This breakthrough cloud app that lets you edit graphics and photos in amazing quality using modern vector designs. Designo Pro 2 will help you come up with high-quality graphics if you want to get reliable success online or offline. If you don't have amazing graphics, your website will look great, and your videos won't be attractive enough to keep your audience engaged. What will happen then? No one will be willing to buy from your website, and you will suffer loss. This is where Designo Pro 2 helps to provide you with full-life drawings. Note, the graphics you create using Designo Pro V2.0 can be maximized to the size of the ad board without loss of quality. Designo Pro 2 features. Designo Pro 2 packs quite a punch when it comes to its features. Have a look. Groundbreaking design architecture. Designo Pro 2 is not using conventional pixels and using vectors. It means that you will always have a crisp and not blurry graphics, whatsoever the purpose or the size. More than 500 plus built-in vector templates. You can go ahead and simply fill in the blanks and get the highest quality possible graphics. What's the best part? You don't have to pay monthly fees or buy expensive software and avoid all complex apps. Ready-made designs for all needs. From infographics to high-converting banners to logos to book covers to flyers to social media covers, cartoon characters, the software is built to provide more than 20 different categories of pioneering designs. Drag and drop editor. Just click, and you are done. Yes, you will have to use the feature to believe its awesomeness. It is a solution that's ridiculously easy, full incorporation with video builders. Since Designo Pro 2.0 is incorporating SVG vectors, you can export all designs inside video creators such as Easy Sketch Pro and Explaindio. It means full built-in compatibility from the first day itself. In short, Designo Pro 2 has enough powerful features to keep you hooked. Take a look at some of its features at a glance. New 500 plus templates. Realistic mockups. Visual 3D graphics. Visual 3D clothing designs. Auto image embedding in mockups. Load save project from cloud. Grid plus rulers views. Layer locking. Graphics flipping options. Feature to import your own font. Export to SVG with fonts. Export to JPG. Export to PDF. Web API access. Extender color palette. How does it work? In fact, it's like Adobe Illustrator, but much simpler to use and without having to pay hundreds of dollars. Step 1. Log into the cloud platform and select one of the 400 plus pre-made templates or simply upload your own graphics, SVG vectors or images. Step 2. Edit the template to suit your needs using the stunning built-in drag and drop editor. Step 3. One-click export your graphic to any format you need to use for your site, product, video, or offline business. Designo Pro 2 facts. What types of images can I export with DesignoPro V2? Right now you can export images in .svg, .jpg, .png and PDF format. Can you save your Designo projects in the cloud through the app? Yes, you can. Can I use .psd files in Designo? No, since they are pixel-based they will not work. But we've got hundreds of templates ready, and you can upload .svg files easily. Can I import Designo designs into video software such as Easy Sketch Pro, Explaindio, and Videos? Yes, you can. How many design templates are there to choose from in Designo? There is a variety of over 700 total templates you can edit. Which browsers will Designo work in? The recommended browsers to use are Chrome and Firefox. Internet Explorer is not technically supported any longer and does not support JavaScript, nor does Safari. Do I need specific computer requirements to run a Designo app? No, Since the application works in the cloud, you only need your computer and a stable internet connection. Can these images actually be taken to my print shop for printing? Yes. If you actually need them printed for offline use, DESIG and OPRO2 images are vector images, which means that they can be resized to any size without loss of quality or blurriness. The vector files will be saved using RGB. All of today's printing presses use vector files with advanced tools that automatically convert RGB to CMYK when printing. Yes, there will be a difference in color using this process. We will be working on a solution to add CMYK as a choice in the future.